Let me just, how I stopped, because people always ask me, and I have people that I work with that are sober now. So this is how I stopped. That day when my wife made that call and I said, I'm gonna stop. I went 30 days. I didn't say anything to anybody. I wanted to get the discipline myself, and I ain't have a drink. And my wife, we had gone out a couple of times, and she's like, yo, you ain't drinking? I was like, nah, I'm good. I ain't want to say nothing in case I slid back. 30 days went by, I felt a little stronger. Momentum started building. Then we went out again like in 60 days. She was like, yo, I have not seen you get drunk, go take a drink. I said, yeah, I'm trying to stop. Now I put in the accountability. Because if you ask for accountability too early, you don't get the respect that you need and you fall off. So I got some strength. Then I brought in her as accountability. Then 90 more days went by and my kids was like, Pop, you ain't had a drink. I was drinking water. They was like, I was like, yeah, I stopped drinking. Now I got accountability with my wife, with the kids. Now we there. And then more time went by and my wife said, how you doing? I said, I don't drink. I built the momentum. So now, even when I go do talks, I always talk about I don't drink. I don't smoke, I don't drink. I always say it. Why? Not because I'm trying to be big time. I'm putting out accountability that if you see the little red cup in my hand, something is wrong. You got to build that momentum. And so I got a guy, he just sent me a text today, 808 days. He texts me every single day from 808 days ago, sober. And I told him, I said, text me every day. And here was the thing. I may not ever text you back, but you keep on texting. 800 at 30 days, he fell off. He took a drink. Then he was like, well, I'm on my 31. No, you're not. Go back to 0. Start from scratch. Let's build the momentum back up. So he been good since then. Just texted me last night, Coach, 808 days sober. And it's not that I'm saying to him, stop, stop, stop. He knows he's accountable. Somebody's watching him. So you got to be like, yo, who's watching me? But if you hang around cats that's blazing, you're going to blaze.